ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis flags $112,000 support amid $2.7 billion whale liquidation. Bitcoin. ChatGPT. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 5 hours ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis has revealed that Bitcoin is testing key support at $112,398, following a massive $2.7 billion whale sell-off involving 24,000 BTC across major exchanges, triggering liquidation cascades. In comparison, MicroStrategy counters with a $357 million accumulation, bringing its holdings to 632,457 BTC. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis synthesizes 26 real-time technical indicators to assess BTC's trajectory amid massive whale distribution and institutional counter-accumulation. It also assesses EMA support testing and potential trend reversal signals. Technical analysis. Whale sell-off tests key EMA support. Bitcoin's current price of $112,398.08 reflects a minus 0.97% decline from the opening price of $113,493.59, establishing a volatile trading range between $113,667.28 high and $110,588 low. This 2.7% intraday range shows controlled selling pressure following the massive whale distribution event. The RSI at 42.24 approaches oversold territory, providing potential bounce conditions after the sell-off-driven decline. Moving averages reveal concerning bearish positioning with Bitcoin trading below the 20-day EMA at $115,656, minus 2.8%, and the 50-day EMA at $114,789, minus 2.1%. While testing the 100-day EMA support at $110,856, plus 1.4%, with the 200-day EMA at $103,697, plus 7.7%, providing deeper support. Similarly, MACD shows a strong bearish structure at minus 568.66, well below zero, with the signal line at minus 676.11, and a negative histogram at minus 107.45, indicating continued momentum deterioration. Volume analysis shows moderate activity at 14.81K BTC, indicating steady institutional participation during the whale-driven volatility. In fact, ATR also maintains a reading of 102,285.34, suggesting massive volatility potential for continued large moves based on support test outcomes. Market context. Whale distribution meets institutional counter-accumulation. Bitcoin's decline follows a massive whale distribution event involving 24,000 BTC worth approximately $2.7 billion that were dumped across major exchanges. This systematic selling created liquidation cascades affecting leveraged positions and triggering broader market weakness despite no fundamental catalyst driving the sell-off. The institutional response reveals divergent strategies, with MicroStrategy countering whale selling through a $357 million accumulation of 3,081 BTC, bringing its total holdings to 632,457 BTC, representing 3% of the total Bitcoin supply. Additional institutional buying includes Japanese firms adding 156.79 BTC and Metaplanet increasing its holdings with an $11.8 million purchase. Market rotation dynamics show institutional distribution pressure, with BlackRock reportedly reducing positions by nearly $200 million while ETF outflows continue. The whale seller maintains 152,874 BTC worth approximately $17 billion, suggesting strategic positioning rather than a complete exit. Broader market liquidation impact. The crypto market experienced systematic weakness following the whale distribution event. Market analysts observed the sell-off triggered a $4,000 drop in minutes, causing a liquidation cascade, not a natural correction, as leveraged positions faced forced closure during rapid price movement. The timing coincided with Ethereum's local high formation, suggesting coordinated selling across major cryptocurrencies. Even ETH hit a local high just hours earlier yet dumped right after. This indicates systematic distribution rather than organic market movement affecting institutional positioning. Despite the selling pressure, structural factors remain supportive, with analysts noting no structural reason to flip bearish, just more proof whales still control the game. Market participants identified the event as a liquidation trap, rather than a genuine distribution, with some noting that this wasn't a sell-off. It was a liquidation trap, targeting over-leveraged positions while institutional foundations remain intact. Market fundamentals. Strong metrics despite distribution pressure. Bitcoin maintains substantial positioning with a $2.23 trillion market cap, despite a minus 1.93% decline during whale distribution phases. The market cap adjustment accompanies increased volume at $89.33 billion, plus 74.24%, indicating an active institutional response to whale selling pressure. Additionally, the 3.93% volume-to-market cap ratio suggests heightened trading activity during distribution events, typical of major market participants repositioning during volatility. Circulating supply of 19.91 million BTC represents 94.8% of the maximum 21 million supply, with scarcity approaching supporting long-term value despite short-term distribution pressure. Similarly, market dominance of 57.8%, plus 1.57%, demonstrates Bitcoin's relative strength during crypto market weakness, while the 9.87% distance from the August 14th all-time high of $124,457 represents healthy correction territory following whale manipulation events. Social sentiment. Distribution concerns amid institutional divergence. Lunar Crush data reveals declining social performance, with Bitcoin's alt rank falling to 1.3K during whale distribution events. A Galaxy score of 38 reflects cautious sentiment as participants process massive sell-off implications for market structure and institutional confidence. Engagement metrics show increased activity with 97.21 million total engagements, plus 24.64 M, and 225.54K mentions, plus 86.8K, demonstrating heightened attention during distribution events. Social dominance of 17.55% maintains visibility, while sentiment registers at 76% positive despite selling pressure. Recent social themes focus on whale manipulation concerns, with community discussions emphasizing liquidation trap narratives and double-top formation warnings. Prominent analyst Crypto Caesar has identified potential CME gap fills around $94,000 to $96,000 levels. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis. Key support defense required. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis reveals Bitcoin at a key juncture, testing the 100-day EMA support following massive whale distribution pressure. The support test at $110,856 represents institutional confidence validation versus continued selling pressure from large holders seeking strategic positioning. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $110,588, followed by the key 100-day EMA support at $110,856. The 200-day EMA at $103,697 provides major downside protection, while resistance begins at the 50-day EMA, $114,789, and the 20-day EMA, $115,656. Levels. MACD deterioration and RSI approaching oversold conditions indicate potential for reversal if support holds amid counter-accumulation efforts. 3-month Bitcoin price forecast. Recovery scenarios. Support defense recovery, 40% probability. Successful defense of $110,800 support combined with continued institutional counter-accumulation could drive recovery toward $118,000 to $122,000, representing 5 to 9% upside from current levels. This scenario requires whale distribution completion and oversold bounce validation. Extended distribution, 35% probability. Continued whale selling pressure could result in consolidation between $108,000 to $115,000, allowing distribution completion while institutional accumulation continues during discount pricing opportunities. Deeper correction, 25% probability. A break below $110,800 support could trigger selling toward $103,700 to $108,000 levels, representing an 8 to 15% downside. Recovery would depend on completing major support, defense, and whale distribution. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis. Distribution pressure meets institutional resolve. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis reveals Bitcoin facing a key support test amid whale distribution pressure countered by strategic institutional accumulation. The breakdown below short-term EMAs represents market manipulation validation versus fundamental confidence in Bitcoin's long-term trajectory. Next price target, $118,000 to $122,000 within 90 days. The immediate trajectory requires decisive defense of $110,800 support to validate institutional confidence over whale distribution pressure. From there, selling exhaustion could propel Bitcoin toward $118,000 psychological resistance, with sustained institutional accumulation driving toward $122,000 plus recovery levels. However, failure to hold $110,800 would signal a deeper correction to $103,700 to $108,000 range, creating an optimal accumulation opportunity before the next institutional wave drives Bitcoin toward new all-time highs above $125,000 as distribution phases complete. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar city executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025 XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 23 hours ago. By Jai Pratap. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports soul mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Price analysis. Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. For days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale Crypto List. 15 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. August 19, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? For days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.